And then give me a little bit of... I didn't even have to say it. You knew exactly what I was going for. Hey, what's up, you guys? So in today's video, we are doing a behind the scenes of a downtown photo session that I did with Amy back in December. She is wearing an awesome velvety red, I think it's velour, which Zach Brannigan would love, a velour Killstar jacket. So let's jump right in. I'm still getting used to this thing. It's so fancy.
Fancy.
I came up from a Nikon D5300.
Yeah.
And jumped into a Sony, and I was like, ah.
I've never used anything, but I've used, I shouldn't say that, I've used other cameras, like other people's cameras.
Yeah.
But I've never owned anything.
Oh yeah, no, I get that. So I'm actually gonna put you right this brick wall's at.
Here.
Yep, perfect, because you're gonna be backlit.
Backlit?
Yeah, backlit. Backlit. I think I said backlit the first time, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go right here. And the sunglasses are perfect.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you lean just against the wall. I won't pose anyone in a pose I can't do.
Okay.
Which has run into issues before, but...
Good to know. Don't die in there.
No, that outfit is like perfect for this. How is it seeing your eye through the sunglasses? I've actually never had that happen before. Usually it doesn't.
They're not that dark.
All right, so I'm gonna actually have you put your sunglasses back on really quick. I'm gonna blow out the background a little bit. I like that pose.
Hood down?
Yeah, let's do the hood down.
Glasses.
We'll take the sunglasses off, and then I will count you down. It's really bright.
Take a second to adjust.
That's okay. 3, 2, 1.
I tried, hold on.
No, you're good. You're good. You're totally good. It's not film. There's a bajillion photos in here.
Right? It has these cool things. Right?
I used to just cut holes in my hoodie.
I know, I was like, dude, how's a hoodie built in?
The first hoodie I ever had with the thumbs there was, had a spider on it. It was some snowboarding brand.
Yeah.
All right. 3, 2, 1. I think I... Oh, no. You're squinty in it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. And we got it.
Okay.
About right here. I do like starting with your head down. That was cool. I pulled my camera up right as you did that. All right, go ahead. All right, you're still full in frame. Perfect. And then give me a little bit of... I didn't even have to say it. You knew exactly what I was going for. So this was a shorter video, which is why I'm posting it on Friday. That was totally my fault. I got the GoPro button mixed up, and I kept turning it off when I meant to turn it on, and turning it on when I meant to turn it off. And so I ended up with about 30 minutes of footage of us just walking around and talking, and not of the actual photo session. And we didn't get a whole lot of photos in this session because I am working on slowing down and showing in my videos more along the lines of how I actually do photography and how I actually do approach a photo session. So this was Amy. She's probably going to show up in more videos in the future. She's a fantastic model, and she's also a photographer. She owns Metal Maidens magazine. The link for that is going to be down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you all on the flip side. Bye.